Hi guys, take a look at this plant. Wow, these are my favorite in the summertime. Guys, when I was getting married, we just break the leaves from these plants, and that's what I use. Take a look at these plants. Anywhere I go and see flowers, guys, it's like I'm crazy. I have to take a picture or I have to video it. Yeah. People passing by, so it's very pretty. Enjoy, guys. Take a look. This is me. I love my plants. I love flowers. Oh, take a look. Take a look. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful, guys? Take a look. Oh, this plant is so pretty. So magnificent, guys. So pretty. So beautiful. So pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this little video of these plants that I'm putting up. Guys, I love Mother Nature. This is me. Oh God. Lovely. Lovely. Guys, I'm on my way to work and I just thought I would just take a picture of this local scenery of right here in the intersection of this area of the Bronx. Look at those two beautiful flower trees, guys. Beautiful. Look at that tree. Hi guys, what a beautiful morning. Look at this tree. Oh my God. There are two of them and look at the flowers. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my Lord. I love flowers, guys. Wow. Look at that. Wow. And guys, this is the Bronx. Wow. Just take a look at that. Take a look at that. Wow. It is so beautiful. Wow. Guys, I love plants. I enjoy. This is my time of the year, spring and summer. Wow, take a look at that. Take a look at that, guys. Let me go from this end. This is so beautiful, guys. This I enjoy every year. Look at that. Even though the light wire is in it, I don't mind. Let's take a look, guys. Enjoy this beautiful day with me. It have white and pink flowers. This is the white side. I don't know if you guys can see the side of the tree now. I think they ingraft these plants. See, this side is pink. So the same tree have pink and white. And look at this one. This is the pink itself. And guys, this is the pink and white. One side of the tree is pink and the other side is white. Let me show you this other one, guys. This one is white. Can you guys see it? Take a look at that. The knowledge to do these things. Look at that. One side of the tree is pink flowers and the other side is white. Look at this, guys. This side is white. White. I don't know if you guys can see the white side of it. So good. But take a look at this. This is amazing.